When is, meaning asking about time, date, or moment. Example, when is the best time to call you? How is, meaning asking about condition, situation, or feeling. Example, how is the weather today? How come, meaning asking why, often in an formal way. Example, how come they left so early? How much, meaning asking about quantity or price. Example, how much does this book cost? How many, meaning asking about number. Example, how many languages can you speak? What kind of, meaning asking about type or category. Example, what kind of music do you like? What sort of, meaning same as what kind of, asking for type. Example, what sort of movies do you enjoy? Which one, meaning asking to choose from specific options. Example, which one do you prefer, tea or coffee? Both, meaning asking about ownership. Example, whose bag is this? Is it okay if, meaning asking for permission. Example, is it okay if we reschedule the meeting? Is it possible to, meaning asking about possibility. Example, is it possible to meet you tomorrow? Is it true that, meaning asking to confirm a fact. Example, Is it true that the shop is closed? Isn't it? Meaning, asking for agreement or confirmation. Example, is it too late to start now? Don't you? Meaning, asking if someone agrees or does something. Example, don't you think it's a good idea? Can't you? Meaning, asking about inability or making a request. Example, can't you see the differences? Haven't you? Meaning, asking if something has not been done yet. Example, haven't you finished your homework yet? Wouldn't it be? Meaning, suggesting an idea politely. Example, wouldn't it be better to wait? May I? Meaning, polite way to ask for permission. Example, may I borrow your pen? Shall we? Meaning, making a suggestion or invitation. Example, shall we go for a walk? I dare say. Meaning, I think or suppose, often confident opinion. Example, I dare say this will be a great experience. I would hate to. Meaning, expressing reluctance or dislike about doing something. Example, I would hate to interrupt you, but I need help. I would love to. Meaning, expressing a strong desire or willingness. Example, I would love to learn a new language. I can manage to. Meaning, I am able to do something even if it's difficult. Example, I can manage to fix these problems if you give me time. I can't afford to, meaning I don't have enough money, time to do it. Example, I can't afford to buy a new car right now. I can't help, meaning I cannot stop myself from doing, feeling something. Example, I can't help laughing when I see the video. I can't believe, meaning expressing surprise or shock. Example, I can't believe how fast you run. I can't wait to, meaning feeling very excited or impatient. Example, I can't wait to see you again. I happen to, meaning by chance or coincidentally do something. Example, I happen to know the answers to that question. I tend to, meaning usually do something, habit. Example, I tend to wake up early on weekdays. It looks as if, meaning it seems so appears in something is true. Example, it looks as if they have already left. In next tutorial, I will bring you English speaking practice lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among you. See you in future video.